Okay, guys, here's a new discovery that I made a long time ago. You see that stuff right there? That is salt. And this dragonfly is eating it. See his mouth chewing? See, that is interesting. It's because, did you know that salt is in meat? And is, meat contains salt. So, even in even herbivorous animals need herbivores need salt every once in a while because they'll even go so far as killing other animals. So he's eating some of that salt. So let's see if I can give him just a pinch more. He's actually eating that salt. Those greens. Like some of the salt. She's actually eating that salt. In a second. Actually eating that salt. See, mostly every insect, every animal will go for salt if you actually feed him it. Just so you know, every animal needs salt. It has nutrients that provide the animal's life. And basically, if they don't get salt in their life, they'll die. That's why they need to kill something or get some salt or some eat for things. So go that salt. The Dragonfly. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye.